Imagine being able to harvest your own gourmet mushrooms, like lion's mane or pink oyster, right in the comfort of your own kitchen, in as little as 7 days. This may sound like a fantasy, but with the Sproushi AI-powered mushroom grow kit, it's now a reality. If you've ever tried growing mushrooms before, you know how frustrating it can be. The unreliable kits, the anxious waiting, and the disappointment of ending up with nothing but a batch of green fuzz. But Sproushi is here to change all that with its compact, modern design and cutting-edge AI technology. But here's where it gets interesting. Sproushi's designers, Merlin Comder and Ali Asa, have created a system that's not only easy to use, but also incredibly versatile. You can grow a wide variety of mushrooms, including some that are hard to find in stores, and even use your own spores. And this is the part most people miss. Sproushi isn't just about mushrooms. It also comes with a sprout tray that lets you grow your own hydroponic herbs, like basil, cilantro, and mint. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that you don't need to be an expert to use it. The Sproushi kit is designed to be foolproof, with an ultrasonic humidifier, a whisper-quiet fan with a HEPA filter, and a time-lapse camera that lets you monitor your mushroom's growth. The AI-powered system, called SproutSense, uses sensor data to optimize the growing conditions, so you don't have to worry about a thing. But what really sets Sproushi apart is its speed. You can go from "I want mushrooms" to "check out my haul" in about the time it takes to finish a Netflix series. And with the ability to create custom grow programs, you can experiment with different species and settings to your heart's content. The kit comes with cleaning gear and spare humidifier wicks, because hygiene is crucial when growing mushrooms. And as an added bonus, the time-lapse camera creates shareable video clips that are sure to impress your friends. Now, we know what you're thinking. This all sounds too good to be true. But trust us, it's not. Sproushi has already raised over $215,000 on Kickstarter, and the reviews are glowing. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link to buy now and start growing your own gourmet mushrooms and herbs today. The Sproushi kit starts at $250, and you can even get a discount if you act fast. But don't just take our word for it. Try it out for yourself and see the magic of Sproushi in action. And this is where we want to hear from you. Do you think Sproushi is the future of countertop agriculture? Will you be trying it out? Let us know in the comments. The question is, are you ready to join the revolution?